Okay, so this should be to start the motors.
Hey, I'm impressed.
Okay, so now to start it, I should be able to do the same thing to stop them.
Ah.
Cool. Okay, we're started now.
You don't want to do that in the
You don't
air.
want to do that in the air.
No.
Okay, so I should be able to give it just a little gas, and it should take off, right?
I hope that don't go too.
Whoa! So if I don't touch the left, right. Whoa! Whoa! Oh shit! Oh shit!
I'm sure glad I got this recorded. I wouldn't. You want to move it?
No, I'm trying to. I'm trying to turn the fans off. Oh, I see. You have to hold them like that. Okay, that keeps you from.
I think you really needed a bigger area.
Oh, I think so too, man.
But not right here.
Oh. Well, I thought it would. I thought it's supposed to stay in put.
Well, we don't know if you have it on GPS
Yeah,
thing.
it's on GPS.
It is?
Yeah, I don't know what this other one does.
You know, but the problem is we're inside. GPS does not work inside. You know that, right?
Okay, we'll watch that.
He won't.
Okay, so the red. Can you stick your hand down?
I wouldn't touch it.
I mean, how far do those blades?
They
Can you
go,
stick your hands?
no. Why? Why you?
Because that's the front, and we really want the front. Okay, well we're just gonna go up a little bit. Okay, GPS, talk to us. Well, see, I don't like it because it doesn't spool down fast enough. I want to get it used to revving down. Oh, it's stuck in the groove of the
No
deck.
way. Is it really?
Yeah, it's stuck. That's why it's tipping over.
Here. Turn it off.
Can I get it to idle back down like that?
I don't know. I'm not controlling it. It's like you in a race car telling me what it's doing. I have no
Okay,
idea.
see, that's what I want to do. Okay, I need to get used to backing off the gas. I'm freaking out and holding the gas on. I just gotta take my hand off. Okay. Yeah, okay. See, I'm trying to let the gas off. Okay, it doesn't like letting the gas off. Oh, it turned itself down like that by itself. Well, that was weird. I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I did that. Okay, hold on.
I don't think we've read enough instructions.
I don't think I have either, but it's close. I gotta quit letting off the gas, but I'm afraid it's gonna take off.
That's what it's supposed to do.
It doesn't. I mean, I like that throttle response. I don't like the throttle response once it takes off because then it tries to take over.
Right.
I'm afraid it's gonna go do something. I mean, it's like, well, maybe it's gonna read a GPS signal. I should have read the owner's manual. Yeah, see, that's what I want to do. I bet you on that gimbal I can make it do more of that.
Right. Well, no, the gimbal's for the camera. Gimbal's for the camera.
I just want to be able to go back down when I let off.
Go high a little. Go a little faster. I mean, you're being a wimp.
I am. You want to spend $1,200? You can be a brave guy. Okay, we got it. I think maybe when I'm going up, I'm doing something to left and right. I just want to hover like an inch above the ground. I'm a push.
Wow, that's pretty good. That's pretty. Hey,
I got it fired. I just bring everything to a dead.
it's like I'm glad I'm recording these.
Oh, don't go off the deck.
Whoa!